Hello everyone, my name is Esther Carolina Molina Martinez. We are here to tell about a place that has a lot of historical and cultural transcendence. All of you dreams of traveling the world and having the experience of knowing it. We have different interests for the place we want to travel, but mostly there are historical places such as ruins, temples or ancient cities that transport us back in time. If we want to enjoy a cultural wheel, the Prambanan Temple, located in Yogyakarta, Indonesia, we can observe Hinduism in Java, both in architecture and culture. It is a large temple in Indonesia that is characterized by the painting architecture that is typical of Hindu architecture. It is 47 meters high. It is a center that surrounds individual temples, and it is traveling according to the hands of the clock. It's a collection of more than 2,000 Hindu temples, and this temple is dedicated to Trimurti. Trimurti is expression of God, the Creator, Brahma, to the Soul, the Preserver, Vishnu, to the North, and Destroyer, Shiva, my temple. Third temple is a based of the Hindu cosmology on three kingdoms. Lowest kingdom habited mortals, animals, and demons. Middle kingdom habited saints, ascetics, and minor gods, and highest kingdom habited full gods. In the main hall is the so-called divinity teacher, and in the final hall the statue of Ganesha, the son of Shiva. But the central and important part of the Prambanan temple is the temple contains rhododendron, that it alludes to a petrified princess. On the west side of the temple, there is a valley descent from the traditional epic Ramayana. Going to Prambanan temple is to observe Javanese Hindus. Notice that a sunset is shadows from clock hands and appreciate Hindu architecture. It is a good place to learn about Hindu architecture, be in contact with nature, and connect with Hindu culture. The beautiful landscapes kept to appreciate. It's time to travel because you can discover more history, explore wonders and cultures, appreciate cultural richness. If we want to explore wonders and other cultures, to know their history, it is the perfect destination appreciate.